Hey guys, so I've had some questions about my Proxmox cluster and I want to go into a bit more detail. So here again, here's my four virtual machines, not virtual machines, here's my four nodes. So each one of them has these in it. So these are containers. So these aren't full virtual machines, these are like Linux jails. So they don't have to have their own kernel and virtualization. So say you want to make a virtual machine. First you would need your ISO image of your operating system. So you'd choose your hypervisor. Let's do this one for instance. So ISO images. So here I've got like a Windows 10 LTSC, got Debian image, and I've got the virtual drivers for the QEMU. So we want to make a virtual machine. Let me show you how. So you go create virtual machine. So you choose what node. We're going to do it on this node. Let's just call it test. You can have it start at boot or not. Okay, so you choose your ISO image. Okay, so here's our test machine. Let's start it up. Here we go. Okay, so it's that simple. Now we've got Windows installed. Right, so let's install the guest editions. So this is the thing that allows the ballooning memory device to work. So if we look now, yeah, I think it would have reserved 3 gigs of RAM. So if we go to the options, nope, we go to the hardware, the CD drive, we can put the other CD in. So this is the other one, put that in, go back to the console. We can install our drivers from our virtual machine. Right. Easy as just running that install that Windows is running within. And then we'll install the guest tools as well. It's just a utility like VMware guest editions. It just lets the hypervisor talk to the virtual machine if it needs to shut down cleanly or something like that. Okay, so that's done. So if we shut down the virtual machine, let's go to options. Let's turn on the guest agent because we've just installed the guest agent. Okay, right, let's start the machine back up. If you untick this, you can mount. If you want to tick it, it just gives you an extra level of jailness. It's just a more secure jail. Right, so we're putting our root password. This is what you want the root password to be. It has to be more secure. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you get to pick your. I'm just going to do DHCP for now, as it's just a test, but you would set it there. Okay, and start after created. And it'll make our little container, LXC container, running Debian 10. Okay, start it up. So root, test 1, 2, 3. Alright, the first thing I like to do is when I get Debian is apt update apt upgrade -y. Right, so if you go to CT templates under ISO images and click templates, these are all the templates that you can download for your containers. So you've got your regular Debian, Fedora. There's also some things called turnkey Linux, which are pre-configured containers that